Hi, I'm here to pick up my new I-PACE.
OK, sir, if you'd like to jump in.
Very funny. Are your parents here? OK, get in the car.
The whole car is a 4G Wi-Fi hotspot.
Where's the button to delete internet history? You know, just in case I'm buying a gift for someone and I don't want them to see what it is.
Inside the cabin are 6 USB ports.
Guys, already way ahead of you.
I-PACE recognises your key fob as you approach and automatically adjusts to your preferences, like temperature, seat position, and your favourite radio station.
Coming up next on Celine Dion FM.
Obviously that's broken.
The onboard system is built in AI.
Now that's what I'm talking about. Spy stuff. Where is the ejector seat button?
There is no ejector seat.
Hubcap lasers?
It's a learning computer that calculates your exact range based on weather, traffic, and your driving style.
Learning computer. You two are cramping my style. I'm out of here.
Zip it.
What? How did you get there? How do you do that?
0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. 696 newton meters of torque.
Torque. I'm all about the torque.
You don't even know what torque is, do you?
Torque is my middle name.
Actually, it says here it's Benedict.
It's a family name.
So that's it. Any questions?
One question. Which one of you is going to teach me to drive?
You don't know how to drive.
No, I don't. What? Well, it can't be that hard.